Apple just turned green. It's been kind of faltering here. Very, very difficult to trade. If anything, I think this is a pullback that's going to get bought. I don't really want to buy Apple, but of those of you that are Apple fans and you do want to buy Apple, you're in a pretty good spot. Pretty good spot to buy here. If you look at what it has done over recent times, one more. So let it come down a little bit more. Look at the cycle indicator. The cycle indicator is so great on daily charts. Those of you that have CTV and Masterclass, look at this thing. Isn't this great? Look at the cycle confirming, coming down, hook on the cycle, up above 50% on the RSI. Boom. Then we get oversold, get down below here, get above 50% on the RSI, boom, hook, there it is, bang, rally. All right. Pull back again. Look at the cycle. Down here, above 50%, boom, rally. Same thing here. This. So this, what I'd love to see it do, if you were going to buy Apple, what is something that you should wait for? Just look at this chart and you tell me, what would be something that you should wait for? Anybody see it? Well, yeah, lower Bollinger Band, perhaps. That's a pretty far pullback, cycle low. How about the 20? How about the 20? How about the 20? How about a breach of the 20 and then a retest that busts back up through it? You see that? I'd rather wait for it to break the 20, reversal candle, confirmation candle, reversal candle, confirmation candle, reversal candle, confirmation candle, right? I'd rather see it break the level, come back up and retest, and then give me one of these and stay above 50. Similar rules to CTV, right? Yeah, well, ride the pony. It pulls back to the 20, but it breaks the 20. You see how it breaks it once, twice, 3 times? It literally breaks the 20. That's the bear trap, because a lot of people look at the Bollinger Bands and think if it breaks the 20 to the downside, where is it going, Ed E? The lower Bollinger, right? That's what most technicians would say. If you break the 20, it's going to head back down, do a reversion down to the lower Bollinger. But that's not the personality of the stock. Something I taught 5 years ago right here in this room. What is the personality of the stock? A pierce of the 20, the trap, and then the reversal. Pierce of the 20, trap. What do I mean by trap? It means it pulls all of the shorts in right here, and they go short. And guess what they use for their stop? The 20. So as soon as it hits the 20, their stops get triggered, and then it pops right through it. I'm going to short it. I'm going to use the 20 as my stop. It hits it, pop. I'm going to short this pig. I'm going to use the 20 as my stop. It hits the 20, pop. So where we are right now is just a little bit of a technical lesson. You see the personality of the stock. If you want to trade it to the upside, now that doesn't mean that does not mean it won't reverse from here and go higher. It could, but a better entry for you is if it gives it up tomorrow or Thursday or Friday, and then next week slumps even further, and before it gets to the 50, reverses. That's your entry for for Apple, and you go buy something in January. To me, that's a good way to play it.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.